Hello everyone. I'm going to solve the question from IE Rudolph, and the first question of the book from the topic Physical Fundamentals of Mechanics. I'm going to give this video solution of this problem. So the question is like this: a motorboat is going downstream, overcomes a raft at a point A. So let's figure it out that we have a river flowing it like this in this direction, say, and this is velocity of river. So here we have a raft, say we have a raft, and raft is flowing with the river velocity. So velocity of raft will also be equals to this river velocity, and we have got a boat here, and they say a motorboat going downstream overcome a raft at a point A. So this point is, say, A. Tau is equals to 60 minutes later it turned back. It is going like this, and after going 60 minutes, this from here to here it is 60 minutes. Time is 60 minutes, and after some time pass the raft at a distance L is equals to 6 kilometer from point A, and in the meantime it is going like this now, and in the meantime this raft has shifted from here to here. This distance is 6 kilometer. This is given in a question. And find the flow velocity assuming the duty of the engine to be constant, that speed of the engine is constant. Of course there will be a effect of river flow on during downstream and upstream, but there is no change in engine speed. The speed of boat will change. Bit of confusing terms, but let's see. So this problem is a hardcore relative velocity problem. If we will not go by relative velocity, this question will be quite hard question and the calculations will be long. So let's go by relative velocity. So in this question let us change the frame. So let's sit on the river. How can we sit on the river? Let's assume that we are sitting on the river, and the frame where we sit becomes stationary. So the river is stationary now. We can say I will sit on the river becoming an ant. I'll become an ant and sit on the river. For me, for my frame, for ant frame, this river is at rest. Now river is at rest. So river is at rest. Now it means raft is also at rest. Raft is also at rest. Now this is point A and river is at rest. So there is no problem of upstream, downstream, nothing we have to worry about. So here we have a raft. This boat has gone like this for 60 minutes, and it will come back in the same time because there is no river flow going to affect the velocity of the raft, going to affect the velocity of boat, sorry. So if boat is going down in 60 minutes and river is at rest, so this boat will come up in 60 minutes and it will meet here at this point. So total time taken by boat, that will be 2 hours. And in this meantime, what is the distance traveled? Now come here at this point on the bank of the river. Now river will start flowing, and from this point this frame from ground frame, let's see the problem. And in 2 hours, what is the distance traveled by raft? That is equals to 6 kilometer. Now what is the velocity of raft? Because there is no acceleration, so velocity of raft will be total distance traveled upon total time taken 6 kilometer, because distance traveled by raft in that time when boat meet it again, that is 6 kilometer. So distance traveled by raft is 6 kilometer, so velocity of raft is total distance traveled upon total time taken, that will be 3 kilometer per hour. That's very simple calculation. But if we will go with this ground frame and everything has to be solved from the ground frame, then the calculations are quite tough and quite long. So this is the best method to solve this question. This is very easy question if we go by river frame, and if we go by river frame, the river will stop flowing eventually for this interval of time, and the boat will go downstream for 60 minutes. Downstream, I am saying just downstream, but river is not flowing, so boat will move from A to B for 60 minutes, and if river is at rest, it will meet the raft here again and come up in 60 minutes again. Now come on ground and let's calculate everything from the ground frame. Now the distance, we know the distance traveled by this raft in that time from A to B, and this again in this problem, if we see from A to B and again in C, actually boat is meeting this raft at C, but from the river frame the conditions are quite different, and this is everything from ground frame. So in this frame the boat will go to B from A and then again B to A, and it will meet the raft. And now from ground frame this raft has moved 6 kilometer in this meantime. So distance traveled by raft is 6 kilometer, velocity of the raft is 3 kilometer per hour. Question is very simple. Thank you.